Wait, did you know Wall Street want grandma's life insurance policy? Even your mama's, even your daddy's, even yours if you're over 65. Yep, it's a real thing. It's legal. And honestly, most families have no idea this is even happening. Oh my goodness. But guess who does know? Wall Street. And they're cashing in while folks like us let policies just go to waste. Oh, my goodness. I'm going to keep saying this until the cows come home. You see, when we think life insurance, we always think death benefits, something that's left behind after we're gone. That's only natural. But there's a $1 billion industry behind the scenes, y'all. And then it's made up of licensed institutional buyers like private equity firms, hedge funds, banks, even insurance companies who are legally buying life insurance policies from seniors, not shady fly-by-night operations. Wall Street level players, y'all. Wall Street level players. They're not buying it because they care about your Uncle Joe's funeral. No, they're buying it because they see it as an asset. Think about that. A financial product, one they can profit from. And spoiler alert, they do profit. Now, let's break this down. Let's say your dad has a $250,000 policy. He's tired of paying the premiums, or for some other reason, he don't want it anymore. Doesn't think he needs it anymore. Thinking of letting it lapse or surrendering it back to the insurance company for just a few measly $1,000. Okay? But wait. These buyers, these institutional buyers, they offer 50,000, 80,000, sometimes six figures, depending on the age, depending on the help, depending on the policy size. Why? Because they are betting that, and they know that eventually they're going to get the full death benefit when your loved one passes. I know that sounds morbid, but it's business. Is it cold? Yeah, that's cold. That's cold. Sure, but it's legal and legit. Absolutely legal and legit. Now, I already told you it's 100% legal. Life settlements have been around, y'all, for decades. In fact, they're regulated in over 40 states. The Supreme Court, they even ruled on this way back in 1911, way before I was born. Your life insurance policy is your personal property. You can sell it, just like I said in the last video. You can sell it just like a house, a car, or stock. So yes, it's legal. But here's what's not right, y'all. Most people never even hear about this. You ever wonder why your insurance agent didn't mention this? I knew I did when I was operating as an insurance agent. It's because there's no incentive for most of them to tell you. They're trained to tell you policies. That's just what they're trained to do. Not help you get out of one. They just don't make any sense to an insurance agent. And if you cancel it, the insurance company stops making money off of you. And they're not exactly putting up billboards telling seniors, oh, hey, sell your policy for cash instead of letting it lapse. They're not going to tell you that. They want you to keep paying them. Nope. They rather keep that premium dollars just flowing. They want that cash to keep flowing. This means that your parents or you, if you're a senior, could have a hidden financial asset, y'all, and not even know it. Here's an example. Money can be used for your grandkids, say for your grandkids, if home care, renovations, just whatever, going on a nice trip. Because listen, why should Wall Street be the only one getting rich off your policy? Of course, like anything financial, this isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. It's not. Not every policy is qualified. They don't. Typically, it has to be $100,000 policy, age 65 and older. And if you're younger, you got to have some health issues. And you have to go through a trusted broker, too, who's going to shop your policy to multiple buyers so you don't get lowballed, and that happens a lot. Listen, I'm not saying this is for everybody because, frankly, it's not. But what I am saying is that you deserve to know all your options. Wouldn't you want to know that? I wish I had a policy that I could have. Oh, goodness. I don't even want to talk about it. It makes me mad. If the time has come to let it go, why not see if you can turn it into cash right now? While it can actually improve your life or your loved ones, okay, lives. You know, Wall Street already knows this game. They really do. Now y'all know it too. You know it too. Now, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and check the next video too. The next video is about when a life settlement is not a good thing to do. Until next time, this is Sheila Rosier with Legacy Life 101. Peace and blessings.